Hello, I'm Albert Babayev from Dr. Mike and Son Barbershop, located in downtown Manhattan. Today I'm going to show you how to properly shave your head using the clipper. So you want to make sure that the clipper is at the smallest setting, right? And I'm going to pull the skin, and I'm going to put the clipper flat on his scalp and just follow the natural shape of his scalp. And you want to go over the same area a couple of times just to make sure that it's all even. There aren't any strands or hairs that you missed. You want to pull your ear out of the way. You always want to make sure that one hand is holding your ear. This way you won't clip your ear. Pull the ear forward, push it forward, get it out of the way. And you want to follow the way your hair grows. So if your hair grows downward, you go from down to up. If your hair grows upward like it does here, the cowlick area, turn the clipper around, pull the skin, and you want to press firmly and go against the grain. You always want to go against the grain. You want to give it a shot, Ben?
I do.
All right. Always keep it on the lowest setting. Fire it up. Use your other hand to pull your skin.
All right.
Or move your ear out of the way. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Exactly right. Just go all the way around. Now before moving on to the other areas, make sure you get that area nice and clean. So
okay,
this way it won't
pass over another couple of times.
Yeah. And start from the beginning, from the start to the end. Don't start from the middle. Okay. There we go. Now you don't want to go too fast because it'll just skip the hairs. So now, Ben, the most important thing when giving yourself a buzz shave with the clipper, you want to make sure that you go with the shape of your head. You want to start from the bottom and work your way towards the top. Don't lift off, just follow the roundness of your head. And never point, because you're just going to hurt yourself and scratch your scalp. You want to just go lie flat on your scalp and just go ride it along. Pull your ear back. Okay, pull your ear, stretch your skin, and follow the shape of your head. Go over the same spot a few times to make sure you've got every single angle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And to learn more, please visit us on the web at about.com.